So datasets is going to be the name of the container. And then I'm going to give it the login information. So back at the Nebula dashboard, where we originally got that OpenRC, the credentials file, you can also see it lists our API endpoints. So the identity service is our authentication, and that's going to be the OS auth URL. And then give it password. The password of being in plain text there is my fault, not Staccato's. I was rushing, and so I didn't do anything to protect it. It's just right there in the settings file. Stackato actually does a bit to protect it once it's in the system, but it being plain text on the command line here was my issue. So it's going to go ahead and deploy it. We already saw how this works. It goes nice and quick, and in a moment here, once it actually starts up the application, we can jump over to the Stackato dashboard, and you can see it's our dataset application here. We can check out the logs and see what's going on. It has a real-time log streaming. So you can see it's now installing Django dependencies. It's going to sync up the database in a second here. There we go. And once that happens, yeah, it's running. It's getting health check packets. That is fantastic. It's a good sign. So I can click on it, and fingers crossed, there it is. All right. Our app is running, Django CMS default page. We log in here. We can go ahead and add a page of our own. So let's call that data set here. And it's using the example template, which is the one that we customized to have Bootstrap and use our own template tag. Add in a little bit of basic text here on the page. These are the placeholders that you saw defined in that template. Make sure that everybody else is as careful with the data as we've been. Wasn't easy doing this all inside the firewall.